Okay, then we're done. We go to show you. We use this and let's go to start to make it. Okay, I'm going to clean the desk here. Thank you, my friends. Let's put on here. One is this the last. This one, the middle. Here. Okay, I just left only 2 links at the end. Okay, then let's put the chain here. It's going to be use this rhinestone chain here. Layer bracelet. We can use this turquoise bead chain. Okay, here. And this turquoise. Here. Maybe put one more the chain. No color. Yes. Okay, we use a big size the bead chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not sure if it's enough, but let's just test here first. We put the chain inside the clasp here. This is with the dingle, so I put it on the side. Yeah. Rhinestone. Okay, second. And this one I consider to put at the middle. So here I go put with this chain. Okay. Then this one at the middle. Here you can see with a cross chain. So we put in. Here is flat. So inside the link is cross. So don't worry about it. Go out here. This one. Here. Then use these big size beads here. And use this chain. This chain is also a small cute cable chain cross. So here. Okay, here. Okay, seems that it can be put more chains. So let me see what's the chain going to be used here. One more one more this. Okay, so I'm cut it first. Here. Then one model. I want to make this design. It's easy. This one. You can put the color you like. One more the rhinestone. Okay. It is very eye catch. Yes. Yep. Then let me see. We can put one more chain. One more chain for maybe this. Here we can close. Turquoise rhinestone. Yeah. Here we can go into turquoise. Going to close it. Okay. So this one. The end almost needs. Yeah. Then I'm going to make this last piece. Try to add something. Maybe we can wrap some beads on it with a little bit of turquoise, or just no anything, just empty like this. That's no problem. Here. Then we're going to close the side here. Yeah, like it plain. Yeah. Cord weave, yes, with a note at the end, or cord weave just go through inside this one with a turquoise cord. Okay, then here we let it fall down. Here, it's interesting. Easy making. Here the second, third. Okay, then let's put on this one. We can go hang on. the beads. This one, the thing go across here. Okay, here. This one. And this is a bracelet. The size is bigger. I make is a 7 inch. 7 inch. Then when we put a clasper, then it's come about 7.5 inch. This I'm going to use a magnet clasper. Here. Yes, very beautiful. Here, hang on. I'm use a 8mm the silver magnet. This magnet before we only sell in gold, but factory help make the silver. Here. So beautiful, right? Here. Get it as the free gift, dear. Yeah, beautiful. And you can, everyone can make it easy, right? Just cut the chain, then hang inside the clasper. Okay, here. Mine is bigger for my size. Here. Okay, I wear it on the up here. So this one. It's too big for me, but it's very nice. Okay, here. Yes, finished. It's finished here with the 2-layer chain, with this single chain, single turquoise, and with this beads chain and enamel chain, mixed chain. The size like this, the cross design, or this small cross, that's no problem. Put in this clasper here. So it's easy. Then use a jump ring to hang. Just use this clasper to close. And this is the size bigger. Yeah, it's the 2 centimeter the clasper. See here. Here. This is the 2 centimeter. Okay, so we done the bracelet today. This one. Okay, then let's go into share with you what is the chain.